सभी को राम राम। जय श्री महाकाल। आइए इस ब्यूटीफुल इवनिंग की शुरुआत करते हैं विद ब्यूटीफुल मंत्र। ओम भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। So this is Renu Mangtani on the platform of Ankakshar Miracles. I had been into the banking industry for about 6 to 7 years and then now transformed as an international renowned author, YouTuber, researcher, Youth Icon Awardee by Governor of Maharashtra, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Awardee, national and international, and much more. And today I have a very beautiful soul with us on this beautiful platform of Ankakshar Miracles, and her name is Archana Parekh. She is a host and dost in this journey, calling herself a Sarthi, graphologist, consultant. And let's know more about from her. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Renu ji, for conducting this, and so happy to be part of this journey. Yes, so knowing about me is, yes, I started on this journey about 15 years back, and it's been ups and downs, but more so about knowing self. अपने आप को जानने की कोशिश करना और उसमें बहुत अच्छे अच्छे सोल्स आप जैसे मिले एंड द जर्नी हैज बीन ब्यूटीफुल. So, what more would you like to know about me?
That's great. We have already read about you. You are a beautiful soul, and in the article, how you have mentioned it about the women empowerment and economic developments. So, what's your say on this beautiful topic, ma'am?
So I always have felt that, I was born in a family. We are three sisters. तो ये बेटी का women का this entire thing has always been a kind of on this with the society rules and norms that okay, girls should behave this way or that way. I always felt that there was a lot of disempowerment, and when this topic came up, it was so beautiful to put our thoughts onto paper about understanding and knowing that women is Adi Shakti, and Shakti is the most powerful, the Jagajanani, as we can call it. And that is where, I feel that it is very important that women are given that place, and that will lead to a lot of development all over the world. And we are seeing that. So from the time women have come into the fore and are working, strength to strength with men, it's and no nothing against men, but yes, it's if it is an equal society, then equality needs to be maintained, and that is what I personally believe, that each person as an individual should be given a chance, not based on gender but on equality. And that is where women empowerment now has taken up so much, because that place was not given. It was a patriarchal society.
That's so impressive. And moving on, you are a working professional with an experience of 15 plus years, as you also said, with more than 8,000 plus individuals who has transformed from corporate world to occult field to an author. So we would love to hear this beautiful journey live from you, like how it happened, this transformation.
So I was a homemaker, very happy in the house, but life had other plans. And that is how I got onto this journey. It started with graphology, and then, as I said, I kept meeting beautiful souls who encouraged me, who kind of pushed me, nudged me to walk this path, and spread this knowledge to more and more people, work with them. And that is how it slowly started into getting to counseling and consultancy and working with corporates and helping them have right people for the right job. So this is how it has taken. And then I wanted people to know about so much is possible. We all have our ups and downs, we all have our hurts and pains, but there is life, and life needs to be enjoyed. So I always say life needs to be romanticized, and that is such a beautiful concept that came up one day in my one of my talks. And if we can't romanticize life, if we are only cribbing and complaining, then it's not helping, because otherwise then life can never be lived. You're almost dead. So that is where this entire thing of spreading this to people came about, and that is where living life one step at a time, came up as a compilation of about 11 cases that I have gone through with my
Obviously,
journey
you
in
are the
life.
author of it.
Yes, I'm the author of it. So that is the book that came up, and thankfully, it's doing really well on Kindle and also the hard copy sale. So things are really going good with people really learning basic stuff. Small little things that they can do in day to day life, learning from movies, especially animated movies, the lessons of life. So these are some of the things that I've been doing with the work with people around.
So that's a great journey transformation. And we have read your article, and my personal favorite, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao campaigns in India, which contributes to the empowerment of women. So thank you so much, Archana ma'am, for highlighting this beautiful concept. So can you brief to our audience about this concept?
Sure. So this concept was started by Shri Narendra Modi in 2015, where a certain amount is, loaned or given to for education and upliftment of the girl child. Primarily because the ratio of the girl child to man child, boy child was really like what 750, 800 to 1000, especially in the northern part of India. So some districts, about 100 districts were taken, and then over the year another 61, so it's about 200, 160, 200 districts, especially in the parts of Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, where Punjab, so where the girl child is not really given that kind of education or the financial help where she can stand on her own feet. So that was it. For me personally, it started on with my house helps. So people who worked at our houses, normally they do the bartan and jhadu pocha. So there also I had seen that they don't really educate the girl child. So for me, I personally started with that over my life after I got married, where I started teaching, paying their fees or teaching them, and that is how this entire concept, when Narendra ji launched it, Modi ji launched it, I was so happy that something is being done about it.
That's so thoughtful of you, ma'am. And when you got this book like in your hand, so what was the feeling, and what's your feeling of being recognized as a certified published co-author?
Oh, this book is like
Yeah.
wow, it feels wonderful holding it, especially because this topic is so close to my heart, and I'm enjoying this moment. I loved being a part of this, knowing so many people, their thoughts. 51 co-authors is not a small task, so hats off to you and Abhishek ji that you all have done this, and I'm glad to be a part of this journey. It's as I said earlier, putting these thoughts on paper was so helpful, and spreading the word is so important.
That's so great. And as you can see that Archana ma'am is so happy. You can also be happy. You can also be the recognized, certified, internationally certified published co-author with us, because all these projects are in association with Ankakshar Miracles, which is the Institute of Occult Sciences, Spiritual Activities and Research, where we teach astrology, numerology, graphology, tarot card readings, and we provide you the lifetime support also. So what are you waiting for? And you can reach out to us on our email ID, which is ankaksharmiracles@gmail.com, our Facebook page, Ankakshar Miracles. And this project, we had 51 co-authors and ma'am is one amongst them. And इस project में 47 फीमेल्स थे और 4 मेल्स थे, तो ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ वुमेन्स का ही कंट्रीब्यूशन है और वुमेन्स के ही थॉट्स हैं, सबके थॉट्स है, सबका कंट्रीब्यूशन है, और 51 डिफरेंट डिफरेंट स्टोरीज हैं जिन्हें पढ़ के आप कुछ ना कुछ सीखेंगे, और आपको ये नहीं पता कि किसकी स्टोरी आपको कब इंस्पायर कर जाए और आप अपनी लाइफ में क्या चेंज कर दो और क्या बन जाओ। और ये बुक वर्ल्ड वाइड अवेलेबल है, स्पेशली ऑन अमेजोन इट्स 11% डिस्काउंट इट्स गोइंग ऑन, एंड फ्लिपकार्ट पे भी अवेलेबल है। तो आइए मैम से जानते हैं, मैम आप रीडर्स को क्या एडवाइस देना चाहेंगे रिगार्डिंग दिस बुक?
I would say, buy the book, understand why this is so important a topic, क्यों ये जरूरी है आज के लाइफ में, आज के टाइम पे जब फेमिनिज्म को साइड पे रखते हुए, एज अ ह्यूमन, एज अ वुमन हु इज contributing so much to society, she is taking care of so many things, not only at home but outside home also, and she's working, going shoulder to shoulder, and that respect is deserved. And if this book can kind of bring in those changes, where it is recognized, they are recognized for their contribution to this planet, it would be a great read for everybody, because like we said, 47 female writers, everyone's point of view, and the 4 male writers, what they think about it. So itna sara aapko ek platter pe kahan milega?
Exactly. That's so great, ma'am. Thanks for the beautiful advice. And moving on, what's your say on spirituality, ma'am?
Spirituality is such a vast topic to be discussed, but what I have learned over the number of years that I have been in practice of is, it's all about being in awareness and taking informed action, because being only in awareness is not helping, or taking action without awareness is not helping. So it's a synchronization, a kind of balance to be brought between, okay, आपके awareness में कुछ चीज आई है तो उस पे एक informed action लीजिए, ताकि you can really create these beautiful transitions and through that transformations in your life, which is so important to have a very healthy, healthful, I would say, life, where you feel you are doing something meaningful and doing something purposeful.
That's great, ma'am. So moving on, living the life की आप ऑथर रह चुकी हैं, तो हम चाहते हैं कि आप कुछ टिप्स बताएं हमारे ऑडियंस को, रीडर्स को, जिनसे वो इंस्पायर हो सके.
Okay, so some of the tips that one of the tips that I can give you is being in touch with your body. बिकॉज वी आर सो, मतलब हम इतने अपने में ही रहते हैं कि जब हम नहाते भी है तो भी हम सिर्फ ऐसे साबुन मल के पानी डाल के निकल जाते हैं. हाउ अबाउट जस्ट स्पेंडिंग some time with this beautiful vehicle, this beautiful body that you have been blessed with, which is why you are here on earth. So how about literally talking to your body parts, giving it the love, asking it. जैसे हम बच्चे को पूछते, भाई तेरे को क्या प्रॉब्लम है, क्या लग गया, कहाँ लग गया, क्यों पेन है. तो अगर हम थोड़ा सा भी अपने बॉडी के साथ, द बॉडी रिस्पॉन्ड्स ब्यूटिफुली व्हेन यू काइंड ऑफ स्पेंड सम टाइम विद इट. इट विल रियली लेट यू नो ऑफ हाउ यू कैन help it live a better life, and therefore you live a better life yourself. So one of the things people can do is spend some 30 seconds extra at when they are having a bath, and literally embracing themselves, talking to themselves, loving themselves, and actually creating a healthful body, because that is how the body will also respond to your love. Because हम देखते हैं जब बच्चे को हम प्यार से सहलाते हैं तो कितना जो आप बोलोगे वो करता है ना, ये बॉडी भी तो ऐसा ही है. So that is one of the tips I can share with you at this moment.
That's great, ma'am. So how and why would you recommend to newcomers for our upcoming anthology projects?
That's a beautiful thing, because हमारे मन में, like we have so many things we want to say, but we fail to express it explicitly to people or to a larger audience, and that feeling of expression remains suppressed and sometimes goes repressed. It's time that we took a pen in our hand, or start typing if we are tech savvy, and actually take this effort of putting our thoughts onto paper, so that more and more people can know exactly what's happening in the world, and at the same time take corrective measures also to help each other as a contribution towards society and paying it forward. So definitely each person needs to take it up, and the marathon here, or I would say the task here, is about reaching 108 authors. I think that's a very small number. We can easily reach it.
That's great. As ma'am said about the 108 authors, I would like to inform the audience and each one listening us that our upcoming project is My Marriage, Bliss versus Curse, where we have to do 108 co-authors. Almost half of the registrations are done and half are still there. So just come and join us and be the international certified published co-author, because as our institute is registered by government, IAF, AAA, USA recognized. So just come and join us and be the published co-author. So thank you so much, ma'am. You came and gave us your precious time. And since it is a Thursday, ma'am is in the yellow color and she is looking very pretty. Thanks for your precious time, ma'am. तब
Thank
तक के
you.
लिए बने रहिए, जुड़े रहिए अंकाक्षर मेरेकल्स के साथ। ये थी रेनू मंगतानी की बात अर्चना पारिक जी के साथ। जल्दी मिलते हैं अगली को ऑथर के साथ। थैंक यू सो मच, मैम।
Thank you. Thank you so much.